Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by launching the Photos app, Iphoto's successor, so open Applications and click Photos. Once done, make sure any camera or external drive is connected and mounted. Photos imports only mounted devices. Next, check storage in About This Mac to avoid interrupted imports. Now click File Import or the Import tab. You're initiating the import workflow. This step pulls images into your library so you can organize, edit, and back them up immediately. Once you see thumbnails, select images you want and click Import Selected. To grab all, choose Import All. After import, make albums. Click File New Album, name it, then drag photos in. Use keywords and the heart favorite to tag important shots so findability improves fast. Make smart albums for rules like date, camera, or keyword that automates organization. Make sure to enable iCloud Photos if you want syncing across devices. It keeps everything consistent and backed up. You can edit by selecting a photo and clicking Edit. Use Auto Enhance, cropping, light and color sliders for precise fixes, and add filters sparingly. Once happy, share with the Share button, mail, messages, or export with custom size and metadata. To finish, back up the library via Time Machine or export a library bundle. If photos won't open or media is missing, hold Option and Command while launching to run the library repair tool. Follow prompts and wait until...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.